Welcome to the latest how-to tutorial from ITZOO. Remember, before starting any repair, to disconnect all power sources, including AC adapters and batteries, from your device.
First, remove the 8 screws as shown in the video. Carefully remove the screen bezel. Placing your fingers under the bezel, gently pull away from the screen. Locate and remove the screws which attach the screen to the laptop case. Carefully pull the screen forward and place gently on the laptop keyboard. The cable connecting the screen to the laptop will be held in place with sticky tape. Gently pull this away. Now remove the 8 screws located on the side of the screen. Remove the screen from the laptop. To fit the new screen, simply reverse the steps. Replace the 8 screws removed earlier. Carefully reconnect the cable to the back of the screen. Apply pressure to the tape to fix the cable back in place. Gently pick up the screen from the keyboard and place back in the laptop lid. Attach the screen to the laptop, replacing the 2 screws removed earlier. Place the bezel back onto the laptop and gently apply pressure around the screen until the bezel locks back in place. Replace the 8 screws removed earlier. Reinsert the laptop battery.
Parts for all major PCs and laptops can be found at itzoo.co.uk. We also stock a full range of PCs, laptops, tablets and servers.